Imagine you're an IT manager overseeing project requests. You track projects using the same playbook. Right now, each one starts with duplicating a workspace and hoping nothing was overlooked. And every time a new project is added, someone has to manually update your reports to include it. That's where portfolios come in, giving your team a scalable way to create consistent projects, manage them from a single place, and automatically report across all projects. Portfolios are built around 5 pieces. The portfolio is your container, everything organized in one place. The template is your starting point, built once for every new client. Project workspaces are where each project's assets live. Portfolio reports automatically pull data across projects. And finally, portfolio dashboards for a visual summary of everything going on. On an enterprise plan, portfolios are already available with no setup needed. From the home screen, select Create, and then Portfolio. Or navigate to the Portfolios tab and select Create Portfolio. You can use an existing workspace as your template by selecting Plus. Use Existing Workspace. But the portfolio comes with a pre-built set of template items, so you can hit the ground running. Build it how you want every new service request to look. And once it's ready, it lives here in the template section. Now, when a new request comes in, you'll select Create Project. Every portfolio comes with a project list to help you get started. But if you switch to Table View and select Manage Forms from the toolbar, you'll find an out-of-the-box intake form ready to share with anyone who needs to submit a request without being given access to the portfolio. Next, we'll switch back to List View and create a project from the list. Enter the project name, in this case, the service request. Then, select the template you made from the drop-down list. Finally, select Activate. Smartsheet automatically copies the template and creates a new workspace for your project. You can navigate straight to it by selecting Open Project. From there, you'll want to fill in any placeholders within the template sheets, such as the project name, key dates, and any other project details. Fast forward a bit, and your portfolio has a full list of active requests, each consistently structured and in one place. Sharing is flexible too. You can share the entire portfolio at once, giving collaborators access to everything in it by selecting Share, then Portfolio. Or you can select an individual project workspace from the list and share it with the relevant client team by selecting the Action menu, then Share. And when you need a cross-project view, create a portfolio report. Select Add to Portfolio, and then Row Report. Next, define the report scope. Select Portfolios, then OK. Select the sheets from your template that you want to report on, in this case, the Risk and Issues log. After selecting OK, Smartsheet automatically pulls in the matching sheets from every project workspace created from that template. And if you want an instant visual roll of all of your data, open the portfolio in the left navigation rail and select the Portfolio dashboard. And you'll see that every portfolio comes with a dashboard built from the project list, configured and ready to go. Portfolios give enterprise teams a place to standardize, create, and report on all their projects automatically. So what are you waiting for? Create a portfolio and see how much time your team gets back. Learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center, and thanks for watching.